DoFort Chemical Manufacturing ERP. Welcome to DoFort Chemical Manufacturing ERP. Are you ready to revolutionize your chemical manufacturing operations? Streamline your chemical manufacturing with DoFort ERP. With DoFort's ERP solution, you can streamline your processes, increase efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition. Achieve complete operational control by utilizing DoFort ERP. Our software offers robust features like inventory management, batch tracking, and compliance monitoring, giving you full control over your operations. Smooth transitions with DoFort ERP, plus DoFort integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, ensuring a smooth transition and minimal disruption to your workflow. Elevate your chemical manufacturing. Ready to take your chemical manufacturing to the next level? Contact us to schedule a demo today and see how DoFort can transform your operations.